So here's what can happen if you don't take care of that engine. This is a classic example of a vehicle that didn't get oil changes. As a result, there's all kinds of buildup and gunk on the metal parts that should be shiny, and where they should be able to move back and forth smoothly with no resistance, we now have all kinds of gunk and buildup. You can actually see this chain is so stretched because it didn't get lubricated, so where metal was touching metal, it got hot and it elongated this chain. This car came in because it was making noise and because it had a light on, which was actually from a sensor picking up the difference in this chain. The reality is, this engine could have been saved. This vehicle only went 70,000 miles and it never got a single oil change. In the oil pan, there's only a tiny little bit of shiny oil down in there. You can barely see it. We didn't drain the oil. That pickup tube that you see, that's exactly what was in here. So just like Folgers, this Chevy engine ran good to the last drop. If you're worried about yours and you want to stay ahead of it, come and see us at Autotek. We'll make sure that your engine gets the perfect maintenance and service so it never has to look like this display in our lobby.